private member bill, what has been introduced by Tiruchi Sivaji, it has a rationale in that, in fact, the teachers, as of today, they are all deployed not only during the elections, even for the census, as well as for the election duties, which are detrimental to the interest of the students. It's a well-known fact. In fact, there is a Supreme Court judgment not directly on this. I can bring it to your notice that the Supreme Court, the essence of the Supreme Court judgment is either the ministers or the members of the parliament or members of the assembly who engage the teachers as personal assistants for them, for which they are entitled. That Supreme Court has categorically stated that it is prohibited under law. There is no way that teachers can be deployed either for political purpose or for electoral purposes. Even for that matter, even for the purpose of census also, calculation of census also. Therefore, the private member bill has got a rationale. Yeah, Supreme Court judgment, Apex Court judgment. So there is no way that the Apex Court judgment can be deviated or violated.
Do you have the citation?
Sir, I don't remember, but I can produce to you tomorrow. If you permit me, I can take the copy of the Supreme Court judgment, I can produce it to you. There is a specific prohibition imposed by the Supreme Court by its verdict, wherein the deployment of teachers is specifically prohibited in this case. Therefore, I request this August House to adopt this private member bill and pass it so that the interest of the students are protected.
जो बात नहीं है उसे अपनाइए आप। डरते हैं नई राह पे क्यों चलने से, हम आगे आगे चलते हैं, आइए आप।